What's pink?
Grog! It's an alcoholic beverage from Australia, created by Cold Ones, one of my favorite channels on YouTube. The whole thing is fueled by massive legends Max and Chad. According to them, this is an Aussie twist on their favorite Japanese sodas. And today, I'm gonna be the first person on the planet, probably, to use it to develop black and white film. Our story begins like any other weird darkroom video that I make on this channel, drinking with the boys, excessively.
Because I've lost control of my life.
Wes came through to help out on this one, and he brought the grog.
It's Grog. I like Grog.
I loaded film into my trusty GA645ZI as she's become a staple in this series. I ended up using Ilford Delta 400, not my typical HP5 that's worked in literally every other video. Sure hope that won't be an important plot point set up in Act 1. Together, Wes and I did a series of product photos on film showcasing Grog. We did some really cool lighting, we used haze, and honestly, I was pretty proud of what we were making.
Guys, I have to tell you the truth. I'm really attached to this roll of film, and if this doesn't work right now, I'm gonna crash the fuck out.
Into the lucky developing pod that I also use for soup sometimes goes the grog. I'm combining 250 milliliters of the peach flavor and 250 milliliters of the grape flavor because we need to get a full sample here for science, obviously.
He's a good man and thorough.
But before any of that, Wes had to make an addition to my hat.
Hold on. I'll be right back. How's that look?
Well, I hope that's not something that's gonna get this video demonetized.
It's super just.
Into that, I'm adding some washing soda and vitamin C powder. The recipe is in the description below if you'd like to try this one for yourself.
Fucking washing soda is like becoming solid chunks. What the f?
That's the yogurt effect.
Nah, that's nothing a little elbow grease can't fix. A bunch of whisking later and everything was incorporated. Wow, doesn't that just look delicious? I turned the heat up to the high end of the low setting. We're looking to bring this up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32 degrees Celsius. While that was happening, I grabbed my dark bag and I put the film into the Patterson tank.
You see how fast that was?
That's pretty hot.
Fucking fastest fucking Patterson tank in the West.
That smacks you. Look at that. Oh!
I realized after that I overshot the temperature a little bit.
Oh.
So me and the boys did the only logical thing there.
Oh wait, can I make a custom control?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Yo,
Did I get both of you in that?
yeah.
Did you really?
And just like that, it was time to rock and roll.
Oh, welcome to the dump.
Time to fix. Ratchets.
This fixer smells so bad it's not even funny. This might be the worst smelling fixer of all of them.
The grog. Oh, it's pink.
Now I know Sweet Lou Photography faithful might be saying,
I'm getting bad vibes from this room.
what is this bathroom and what have you done with Nigel? Nigel is safe and sound, but that bathroom on the other hand was not fine. So I had to film it here. Perhaps that's why. A blank roll. Every darkroom photographer's worst nightmare. For those unfamiliar with the process, that roll is cooked. The photos are gone, they're lost forever. As we say in the biz,
Damn it, how could this have happened?
this could happen for a number of reasons. It could indicate that you exposed the film to light accidentally at some point, but in this case, since the edge numbers didn't even show up on the film, it's most likely an issue with the chemistry. Can I be so real with you guys? I was devastated. I loved that roll and I knew those shots were bangers. I loved what Wes and I made. We put a lot of work into it and it was a real bummer to see that blank roll. I was putting on a brave face because my friends were over and also I was like trashed, but you know, on the inside, I was screaming. Alright, I guess I was screaming on the outside too.
Why?
I sat there, wallowing in my failure, and I couldn't stop thinking about what went wrong. My mind snapped back to my choice of film. It was the only variable from my other experiments. My precious little eggies, as you know, this ain't my first rodeo. I've already proven on more than one occasion that alcohol can develop film, so why not grog? After a little bit of research, I came across this article on Ilford's website. And would you look at that? Choice of developer is more important and processing needs to be more precise than HP5+. So it's official, Ilford Delta 400 is cringe and it's all my fault for not using HP5.
Oh god, how embarrassing.
I woke up just a a few hours after my earth-shattering realization, it was way too early. I took a fat piss and I vowed two things. First, that I'd never drink again.
You lie! You lie!
And second, that I would get the Grog developer to work. Hungover and alone, I got back on the horse. This sounds like a fucking free throw song. I reshot the product photos, this time on Ilford HP5. Lucky me, I didn't take the recycling out. I tried to walk off the hangover and this really fun, awesome, cool thing happened.
I'm gonna kill myself!
I was just walking and the fucking viewfinder just exploded. You know what, it doesn't even matter. It's reassembled now. I would say better than ever, but that's just not true. That's a lie. But regardless, it'll take more than bad luck just to kill me. Million cool points if you know that reference. I finished the roll, and just like that, I was whisking my Grog developer back together. Fellas, it's been a long road getting here, but I proudly present to you the first ever roll of film developed by Grog. Probably.
Finally. This.
Honestly, I'm pretty happy with the results. The negatives did get a little bit fucky on the edges though. And the Grog developer definitely left behind some, debris. Am I still a little salty about losing that roll I shot with Wes? Yes.
Will I get over it? No.
But looking at the positives here, there are definitely some bangers. This one is my favorite. Coincidentally, that's right around the time my viewfinder fucking exploded. But hey, I like the shot, so that's good. I took this photo in honor of my friend S-Rad, who uploaded recently, so go check out her channel after this one.
I would love to know what my friend Chad thinks about this piece. Max, I'm lost for words. It's truly beautiful, man.
Beyond sharing this video with you guys, there's really only one thing left to do. It's time for me to print these suckers out and mail them to the massive legends themselves. And I'm gonna send you guys some of the negatives too, so you got proof or whatever. I'm gonna sleeve them up Max Mofo Pokemon style. Who knows, this might be a collector's item, Max. Now, if I may get sentimental here for a second, I'm gonna need another grog for this. Over the years, Max, Chad, and Papa Franku made countless videos that made my friends and I laugh endlessly. So for once, it'd be kinda cool if I could return the favor. If you ever end up watching this freak show, alright, my precious little eggies, that's all I got for you. You know what to do. I'll catch you in the next one.
Like and subscribe. Sweet Lou Photography. Dumb man.
This guy fell off.